Hi everybody, this is Curtis here at CAPO VW. What I have for you today is a 2018 Atlas SC technology package. This is a unit we just pulled out of our service fleet, and it can be purchased or it can still be leased. So I'm going to shoot a little video on it for you, and give me a call if you have any questions at 949-307-7662. So as you can see, this is white Atlas. It's going to be the SE technology package on it. Black interior, rear camera, of course. Here's your power seats. It's going to have all the comforts, plus Apple CarPlay is going to be in this car. Here's the rear for you. It's got the rear bench seat, and it's with all Atlas cars. You can get in and out very easily. There's that third row. Because this is an SE technology, we're going to get a power deck lid back here. Here we go. Open it up for you. And we can push the button to close it. Right there. It's going to have adaptive cruise control, remote. Also in this car you will find lane change assist, along with lane keeping assist. So it's a nice car, less than 8,000 miles on it. As I said, it's here at CAPO VW. Please give me a call. I can be reached at 949-307-7662. Thanks for watching my video.